We all want respect, but often struggle to do things that garner and earn the respect of other people. It's not that we shouldn't be respected, it's just that if you don't know how to earn respect, then it's incredibly difficult to do so. Therefore, in this video we look to give you 5 tips to understand how to command respect from others. Number 1. Use body language. Simply put, body language is critical for how you communicate to the world about yourself and who you are in your day-to-day life. The fact is, if you slouch with hunched shoulders, keep your head down and avoid eye contact or other direct forms of communication, what does that say about you? Ultimately, it will show a lack of confidence and self-belief, which will create doubt that others have in you and potentially in your ability. So first and foremost, show through your body that you have confidence, belief, and deserve to have respect from others by standing straight, tall, and with your chin up. Number 2. Have self-belief. Following on from the previous point, a part of standing tall and appearing confident is that you want to give off the perception that you know you should be respected. However, this shouldn't be faked. It should be because you believe in yourself and your capabilities, meaning the respect earned is genuine. This begins with the process of believing in yourself and your qualities, acknowledging what you enjoy and are good at, as well as identifying examples as evidence of this, as the examples act as references for the belief, making it stronger and more difficult to break down, giving you a real shot of confidence. Number 3. Have character. If you want respect, then you need to behave as someone who deserves respect, acting with character, personality, and courage to do this. This means doing what's right and taking on responsibility when necessary to ensure you're supporting people and helping them achieve their goals. Add this to your personality too. Be confident in yourself and your ability, and while you might have occasional failures, you always promise to give your best. How you communicate is critical too in this, as you want to speak clearly and loud enough to make sure you are heard, speaking from the chest to project your voice. Number 4. Fulfill promises. If someone makes numerous promises and fails to deliver almost every time, chances are you won't respect them and people will have the same perception of you. Therefore, if you take on responsibility to do something, make sure you go ahead and do what you say you will, even if small or seemingly insignificant. As you show yourself to be reliable and trustworthy, people will naturally respect you more and trust that you can support them when called on. This doesn't mean you will always succeed, but even then, if you can show that you did your very best, people will still respect your efforts. Number 5. Have self-respect. Fundamentally, if you want respect from other people, first and foremost you need to respect yourself and be the person you want to be. This is built by living life by the principles and values you believe in, acting in line with the qualities you yourself respect. In addition to this, you can't just pretend to have these qualities, but instead you need to believe fully and completely that you have them. And if you don't, then it's time to work to make changes in yourself and in your life to become the person you want to be. Do you do any of these, and if so, which ones? Let me know in the comment section below. Please like, share and subscribe as we help you live life on your terms. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to ensure YouTube notifies you of the latest uploads. Thanks for watching.